Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my English conversational listening exercises. Today we're going to be talking about two words, the words much and more. We're going to be talking about the differences between these two words, much and more. But before we get started, as always, please like my page. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get started with this English comprehension lesson, okay? The difference between much and more. Have you ever felt confused about when and where to use the words much and more? It's not just you, but many students have remained confused with the usage of these two words. Much and more both are used to measure quantity, but since both of these terms appear to have a similar meaning, this makes them confusing. But if you go through the meaning of both, you'll notice that both of these terms have completely different meanings. Both of the words much and more are used to measure quantity, but they don't mean the same thing. The word much is used both as an adjective and adverb. For example, John ate too much cake. Here the word much is used as an adjective to show that John had plenty of cake. Whereas I love my dog very much. Here the word much is used as an adverb as it shows the extent of love I have for my dog. The word more is used as an adjective to show the extra amount of something. For example, John has plenty more chocolates than Amy. Once students understand the difference, it will be easy for them to use these words in sentences. Let's use some more examples of the words much and more. Much. John didn't eat much food during the lunch break. The earthquake had caused much damage to the town. In this case, lunch break is the adjective and the town is the adverb. Let's use an example using the word more. John has more books than his younger sister, Rita. Once students understand the difference between the words much and more, they can easily apply them in the proper context, okay? In conclusion, the words much and more aren't synonymous and can't be used interchangeably, okay? I hope you understood this English comprehension lesson today. Again, please, if you like this exercise, please like my page and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, if you've not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. Until the next lesson, have a great day, guys, okay? Thank you. Bye.